Good morning, welcome to Honeybee Adventures and happy Independence Day! Right now we are going to Prabha Devi for a bicycle meet with all the buddy cyclists. Let's see how it goes. Come on! Make some noise, yaar. Happy Independence Day! What is freedom to you?
Freedom is like, for me, freedom is cycling.
Is cycling. Bonnie, what is freedom for you?
Freedom is this. Run into the sea and swim.
And what is freedom for you?
Being out here.
Pardon me?
Freedom is being out here, enjoying life.
Enjoying life. Ashita, what is freedom for you?
Freedom is finally being able to ride and to get out.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hi.
Why aren't we there?
Sir, what is freedom for you?
Freedom is when I am a literal meaning of freedom. I don't know exactly. This freedom for me means it's for the country. It's the country. We feel liberated, ruling ourselves now.
Okay.
That's great.
जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तब जय गाथा। जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे। भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। So Makar and Pradnya, welcome. What is freedom for both of you?
What are you asking?
हाँ, what is freedom?
Freedom is like just
Live your life.
Be a bit louder, cannot hear.
Live your life as you want it. No restrictions, no rules.
For you?
I agree with him. I think freedom is basically the ability to be happy in whatever you're doing, and yeah, no restrictions at all.
So freedom is commitment, freedom is joy, freedom is everything, but most importantly freedom is responsibility. Yes, you have to be responsible, and if you want to have a freedom, enjoy this freedom with a joy, enjoy it with a commitment, and be whatever you are. Just be true to yourself. That's it. Enjoy, guys. Have a happy Independence Day. Already recorded.
अरे यार देखिए, मल्लू मारना अच्छा रहता है या शेट्टी मारना चाहिए? मल्लू रुक, मल्लू हाँ रुक, अभी शेट्टी को मारने दो। तो फिर लगेगा
चल कर।
नहीं ना, वीडियो नहीं आ रहा ना। मल्लू रुक नहीं बोला
अभी यार, और लेट अस सी हु किसने को ज़्यादा अच्छा बनता है। अभी चलो मल्लू चालू करो। कम ऑन यार, शान। हाँ सही सही कर रहा, सही कर रहा है, एंगल सब सही है।